Hi, welcome in Tilelook. Today I would like to show you how we can draw a fireplace in modern style with our design tool. We are working in our first function tab, Create Room. Here we have our room, the 2D view on the left side and the 3D preview on the right side. Our room, it's 3 meters by 3 meters as default, but we can adjust the sizes. We will make our room a little bit bigger. We will make it 4 meters by 3 meters. So we add 100 centimeters in width. Let's click on the red button, open a menu and select Move. Then we write -100. Apply, and we get a room 4 meters wide and 3 meters deep. This will be our room. We will produce a fireplace in this wall here. So let's work on this wall. We click on the red button that always open a menu and select Split. We are going to split our wall in 5 parts. Okay? Apply. And our wall has been divided in 5 segments. Now we drop and drag the blue arrows and the blue square to create our fireplace. Let's do like this one. We will do a fireplace 80 centimeter deep by 170 centimeter wide. So 80 centimeter deep. And we will produce it 170 centimeter wide. Okay. Then we adjust this one. Okay. This will be our fireplace. Then we can move it where we prefer. If we want to move it a little bit in the middle of the room, we can always work on the blue arrow and move a little bit our fireplace. We can place where we prefer. Now let's produce the cutout for our fireplace. So we select the front edge of our fireplace and use the function Add 3D Surface. So we click on this button. You know that we can modify the sizes and the depth of our 3D surface, but we can also modify later. So we apply and we import our 3D surface. I remember that for all these functions you can watch at our tutorial video that you can easily find in our YouTube channel. I've imported a 3D surface, as you can see, a cubus, but what I need is a niche, a cutout in the wall. So I had to edit, I have to modify this 3D surface. Let's select the sides of the 3D surface and click on the red button. We open a menu and we select Elevation. This is the depth of my cubus, it's 50 centimeters. But I need a niche, therefore I need to digit a negative size. So I write -60 as I want a niche. So I click Apply and I get a niche, as you can see on the 3D preview on the right side. This is the niche of the cutout of my fireplace. Now I select this niche and I move it by clicking on the green square here. I can move it on my side at the correct position. As you can see on the 3D preview, I've moved the niche in the middle of my wall. Then I adjust the sizes. I will produce the niche 100 centimeter wide okay, by 70 centimeter high. You always have the size on the screen, you see. So I make it 100 by 70 centimeters. Now I center on my wall. Okay. This will be the cutout of my fireplace. I add now another niche for the wooden stocks. So I click on the side on my wall, and I use again the function add 3D surface. Apply. I will produce now a niche for the wooden stock here on the lower part of my fireplace. So I click on the sides, I open my menu and change the elevation. I will produce this niche 60 centimeter deep, so minus 60. Apply. This is the niche. Now select the square and move it by dragging on the square, green square on the edges. Let's now adjust the sizes of my niche. This will be 100 centimeter, same width of the fireplace. And I make it 40 centimeter high. That's the niche. I center with the chimney, with the cutout. This will be the place for my wooden stock. As you have seen, I've produced very quickly a fireplace in my room. Let's now cover the fireplace with tiles or coverings. So let's move to layout tiles. Here I have pre-downloaded some surfaces from our Tilelook file, and I can now cover my fireplace. For sure you can use the surfaces, the tiles, the stones you prefer by selecting in our Tilelook file. I use this one and I start to cover my fireplace. I have to cover all the sides of my fireplace. So I go very quickly and cover all the sides. Okay, we have now covered and coated our fireplace with our tiles. In order to make our project more realistic, I can include some 3D objects as a fireplace system and some wooden stock. Let's see. Let's move to Place Object, another function tab, Place Objects. Here I've downloaded some 3D elements, a fireplace, a block for a fireplace, and a wooden stock basket, just to make my project more realistic. These objects you can find in the 3D warehouse by clicking on Add Model and selecting Load from 3D warehouse. You can directly go to the file of 3D warehouse Trimble SketchUp, where you can file millions of 3D elements available that you can directly import into your projects. So let's now add these elements to our project. I click and drag the fire element. Let's check the sizes, as I need this block to be 100 cm wide by 70 cm high and 60 cm deep. The sizes of my niche: 100 by 70 and 60 cm deep. So let's adjust the sizes by clicking on Edit Object. You see, the sizes are not correct. So I open the key and I change it to 100. 70 centimeter high is correct, and the depth is 60 centimeter. Apply. Now my 3D elements fits perfectly into my niches. So I move it and I fit it. Okay. Let's now add the wooden stocks. So I click on it, on the icon, and I drag it into the project. Let's also adjust the sizes of my wooden stock. I need it to be 40 centimeter high, you see. So let's check by clicking Edit Object. The height is too much, it's 53, so I need to edit. I don't open the key as I want the changement to be proportional. So when I change the height, also width and depth will change proportionally. In case I open the key, I only change one of the size. In this case, I want all the sizes to change proportionally. So I digit 35, apply, and the wooden stock basket has changed in width, height and depth proportionally. So now I can fit into my niche. Okay, that's very easy. Another option, just to make your rendering more realistic, is to add and to edit the material. For example, here we have some flames, and we can make these flames shining to make my project, my rendering, my final image more realistic. I show you an example. This is a standard rendering. Here I have my fireplace, but I didn't make the flames shining. In this other example, you see, flames are shining, are emitting light. In order to get this effect, I can act on the materials. So we move to the Function tab Render and select the function materials, the bottom material here on the right side on the bottom. Materials. Then I select the fire. Okay. I will select the fire. And once we select the fire, we can use the function Emission. This function allows the material to shine, to emit lights. So when I use this function and I click Enable, this material will be as a lamp. It will emit lights. It will shine. Then I can adjust the intensity of the lights in lumens. The lumens is the quantity of light emitted by this material. So I can adjust it. Once I have selected this function, apply, then you see the fire is shining and I get this effect. In case I disable this function, then I get a standard material like this one. Okay, that's all for the moment. I hope this tutorial has been useful. Please do not hesitate to send your questions and your remarks to our mail address contact@tilelook.com or to contact us through our website tilelook.com. That's all for now. See you soon in Tilelook.